I am Nagaveli Prasad, working in TSWR Center of Excellence, Karimnagar. Today I am going to explain you the structure of ovum and structure of corpus luteum. My dear students, once you recollect the knowledge of ovulation. Ovulation is a process in which secondary oocyte release from the ovarian follicle. So, releasing of secondary oocyte from ovarian follicle is known as ovulation. My dear student, this secondary oocyte not fully matured one because it is get arrested at the stage of meiosis 2, that metaphase 2. At metaphase 2 it is get arrested, that is releasing during ovulation, right? So the released secondary oocyte has a layer called zona pellucida. Already we have learned zona pellucida, and the plasma membrane covers the ovum or secondary oocyte called as vitelline membrane. The space between vitelline membrane and zona pellucida known as perivitelline space. Perivitelline space. The perivitelline space is a place where polar body, first polar body exists. So my dear students, after releasing the secondary oocyte from the ovarian follicle, this ruptured ovarian follicle becomes into corpus luteum. Generally called as yellow body. Here the thing is, if it is fertile, if the secondary oocyte is fertile with male gamete sperm, then its lifetime becomes into 14 days. 14 days this corpus luteum release the progesterone, then it degenerates, it becomes into corpus albicans or white body, and it releases during menstruation. It dies or it degenerates completely. If it is fertile, if this secondary oocyte fertile with the sperm, what happens? So this corpus luteum lifetime becomes into 3 to 4 months, and during this 3 to 4 months it releases progesterone to maintain pregnancy. So my dear student, that is called as corpus luteum of pregnancy. First 3 to 4 months it releases the progesterone, and after there is no use of corpus luteum because placenta will form. Once you recollect your knowledge, placenta releases the progesterone, means its duty completed, then placenta forms, fully formed placenta at the embryonic stage 3 to 4 months, then it starts releasing the progesterone, so that corpus luteum becomes into corpus albicans and degenerates. So this is regarding corpus luteum and ovum. Thank you.
What is corpus albicans?